y'all. Hey, it has been a while since we have been live, but we're about to do a holiday mocktail. I was challenged to utilize some cranberry sauce in a mocktail, and that's what we're about to do. Okay, so I'm not going to be before you long, but I did want to go ahead and share some holiday mocktails with y'all to help you kick off the season. I know we just got through Thanksgiving, and this is kind of a transition from Thanksgiving to the holidays, so to the Christmas holidays. So let's go ahead and get started. This is called a Winter Wonderland Slush, and I'm gonna tell you more about it as we go along. So let's go. So I got my blender, I got ice in here, I have cranberry juice, I have some fresh cranberries that I bought from the store, I have Sprite, I have strawberry puree. We're going to use a little bit of this. I've got the canned cranberry sauce, which is my favorite, and it's always on my holiday table. I have a fresh lime. I have some sweet and lime juice. I only have a little bit left, so I might just go ahead and use that whole thing. And then to garnish, I have mint. I will be using these little short Collins glasses for this drink. And we're going to rim the glass with sugar to go ahead and get kind of in that snowy, frosty holiday mood, even though it was hot today in North Carolina. So anyway, let's go ahead and whip this baby up. So I've already got ice in my blender, and I'm going to be using the measurements on my blender to help me. I be trying to come up with measurements for y'all, but I really don't be measuring when I'll be making these mocktails for myself or for my family. So let's go. So for the cranberry juice, I'm doing 2 cups. I may need to add more ice, but we'll see once we start blending. So I have 2 cups of cranberry juice. And then we're going to do half a cup of the strawberry. I just wanted to add another dimension to this Winter Wonderland Slush because y'all know cranberry can be a little tart and a little bitter sometimes. So we got a half cup of this. Y'all know I love lime. If you've been watching or have ever seen me do mocktails live, I love lime. So I'm going to cut and juice this entire lime. And I might actually, I might actually use, let me cut off the end. I may make a little lime garnish. So let me do that. I'm going to set this to the side. And I'm just going to juice the whole lime. Let's go ahead and juice it. The lime just adds a nice tart little zest. I love the citrus element, but if you are allergic to citrus or are not a fan of citrus, no worries. You can just leave this step out. But I just feel like citrus, specifically lime, elevates everything. Okay. We're going to set this to the side because we're going to need the rest of this lime in a second. And then I am going to add a little bit of the sweet and lime juice just to go ahead and add a little bit of sweetness. Just a splash. And then last but not least, we are going to add in the Sprite. And I'm only going to use a cup of that. If you're not a fan of Sprite, that's okay. You can use 7-Up. You can use lemon lime flavored sparkling water. You can use club soda. If you don't want it lemon lime flavored, that's perfectly fine. And so in a normal mocktail, we would just blend this and then we get our glasses ready to serve. However, because we were challenged by Miss Tiffany Hand, shout out to you, Tiffany, to utilize cranberry sauce in a mocktail, we gonna add some. How much? I don't know. I'm gonna just cut some. And we're gonna add it in. Let me cut it up a little bit more. Now this step is totally optional, but again, this was our challenge and I want to honor the challenge that we were given. And I feel like it's only gonna enhance and intensify the cranberry flavors that we're already working with anyway, so it shouldn't hurt nothing. Get a paper towel. So I like to clean as I go. We're not gonna need our knife no more. So I'm gonna just set that over here with our cranberry sauce. Next, I'm going to add the top to our blender, lock, and turn it on. Okay, so I can already tell the consistency is not frosty enough for me. So I have more ice handy. I'm gonna add more ice. And let's see what that does for us. Okay, I think that's good. So we're gonna leave this and we're gonna go ahead and garnish. So we have some sugar. Hey, Sister Janice. Hey, everybody that's watching. So sorry, I just now saw some comments coming through. How y'all doing? We have our little short Collins glasses. And so remember I said we're gonna use that lemon, the lemon that we already squeezed. I just need the lemon juice for the rim of the glass. And this is going to help our sugar adhere to the glass. See that? There we go. Don't have to be perfect. Okay, let's do the other one. Because this recipe, you're going to get at least 2 servings. Possibly more because I'm heavy-handed. So there we go. So let's do the other one. I use the lemon juice to rim the glass. And then boom. So there we go. So we can set our sugar aside. We are going to need it again in a few. So let's get our drink in our glasses, our mocktail. I'm going to stir it a little bit. Right. So let's go ahead. I don't know if you can hear that. That's that frothy, icy goodness. You really could just drink it and serve it just like this. If you wanted just a more simple presentation. But if you're extra like me, we're going to take it a step further. And then see, I still have probably 2 servings left. So like 2 more servings that I could use. And we're going to drink that later. All right. Now, what we're going to do, so we have our glasses ready. I have the leftover sugar, and I have a bowl here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some sugar-coated cranberries, and that's going to be part of our garnish. And then I also have mint that we're going to garnish with as well. So I got some fresh cranberries. If you're not a fan of fresh cranberries, you can use frozen. If you're not a fan of cranberry, period, no worries. You can swap out the cranberry for your favorite berry, like your favorite winter berry. So if you like raspberries, if you like blackberries, blueberries, any of those will work. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to utilize, again, the remainder of the lime that we already used, so multi-purpose. And I'm just squeezing lime juice onto our cranberries. Okay. And then I'm going to pour our sugar that we used to rim. And this is just going to give us some sugared cranberries for the garnish of our drink. Look how easy that is. You see that? Don't it make you think of just the wintertime and holidays and stuff. So then we're just going to use this to garnish with our little sugared cranberries. Let me hurry up for the cranberries sink to the bottom. Okay. And then last but not least, garnish with something green. So you could garnish with rosemary. I really wanted rosemary, but the store that I went to, they were out. So I said, let me just grab some mint. That'll still be cute. And voila, here you go. See how quick that was? So this is our Winter Wonderland Slush. So it has cranberries, strawberries, lime juice, Sprite. I put a little bit of sweet and lime juice in there too. And then we just garnish with a sugar rim, some sugared cranberries, and mint. Cheers. Okay, my favorite part, let's taste. I need to grab a straw. 1 second. Oh, let's forget something, y'all. Need to grab a straw so we can do our taste test. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Let me turn the camera so you can see me try it. Hey, y'all. Okay, let's see. Girl. Y'all try this. Definitely try this. I'm going to put the recipe in the comments. And you know what? I'm going to put the recipe somewhere else too. Let me tell you where else I'm going to put the recipe. See my ring light. I try to give y'all some good lighting. I'm going to... Oh, let me take. I'm going to put the recipe in the comments of this video. Hey, this is June. Thank you so much. I'm going to put the recipe in the comments, and I'm also going to put the recipe in the 12 Days of Christmas holiday kit that I'm making. So it's going to be a digital download. So you're welcome to grab the digital version, or I'm going to release some holiday Mox boxes. They'll be limited edition. I think I'm only going to do 10 because I want to make sure that I can execute it well. It's going to have 12 drinks in it. And this is the first drink that's going to be featured in that box. So if you want updates on when those things are going to drop, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter on the Moxbox website. The Moxbox website is getting updated, y'all. Hopefully y'all have been seeing my brand update posts. I'm super excited for the direction that we are going. Everything looking so uniform and fun and festive and bold, just like our mocktails. So you can just go to www.themoxbox.com. That's THEMOXXBOX.com. You can make sure you get on the newsletter so you don't miss an update. So today was day 1 of the 12 Days of Christmas / holidays countdown. Now, typically the 12 Days of Christmas start on Christmas Day, from Christmas through the New Year, but I'm starting it today, December 1st, because by the time we're done with the first 12 days, that's when the digital recipe kits and things will be on sale. And I want y'all to be able to grab them so I can ship them to you, and you can get them before Christmas. So you can make them over Christmas with people, or you can get yourself. So anyway, let me show you our drink one more time. This was our Winter Wonderland Slush. And I'll see y'all back here tomorrow for day 2. And day 2 is going to be a surprise. But Tiffany, thank you so much for the challenge of adding in jellied cranberry sauce into a mocktail. I added it and it's good, girl. So you definitely need to try it. See y'all later. Bye.